Hello my people, what's up? Today we're doing a spicy challenge where we're gonna do this ghost pepper spicy chicken flavored noodles. I'm doing two of those, and this is ghost peppers. What is it? About 1 million Scovilles. Extremely hot. Do two of these bad boys. Show you that. You know, the yokai is just not only yokai in name. We're gonna have two of these bad boys plus a mixture with a mukbang. We're gonna have a nice platter of freshly fried calamari. Also, after this is gonna be a little clip of me making the calamari, and then I'm just gonna have that. Very simple, because this is gonna be more. This is like the third hot challenge I've done. First mukbang, but there's gonna be more mukbangs to come. Maybe some Burger King, some Popeyes, some Domino's, and maybe more of my cooking. So there's more to come. All right, here we go. Fire up. Doing some simple fried calamari, and this here is eggs, a little bit of cornstarch, flour, calamari, salt, pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, and we'll just take it inside, toss it into the same dry mixture that we added to the eggs, just like that. See nice calamari rings, and right into it. Do a small part because not that much I'm doing. Yes, it takes longer, but that's okay. Not too much to overflow it. About a minute or two, but I do like my calamari a little bit. Don't want to overcook it. Just stir it around a little bit. Fire's on medium high. So they're not sticking. Simple. See how they're going so far? Nice and crispy. Just like that. Got a nice color on the calamari. Just about a minute past so far. So you want that color? Look at this one. See? The smaller one, so it's finished already. See that color? Right there, over there. Nice. Doesn't even take that long. Look at that. Nice, beautiful calamari. Yep, I'm gonna eat these with the hot noodles. So I'm gonna do it with the batch. See you in a bit. Ready, here we go, ready to go. We have two of the ghost chili. We have a duck sauce spicy mayo for the calamari. And we have grilled cheese. Very simple, not a lot. But we're gonna do this first, and then take a little breather, then knock down everything else. Alrighty, we're going right now. So we're starting with the super hot sauce. See? Okay, we're gonna do this. Last time I had to take a breaker with it, but this time I'm knocking this out. Can't be two failures for me. Still hot. Nice, hot, spicy. You can smell the heat on it. Woo! Here we go. Wow, I'm sorry. That one hit me. The name of the challenge is Can or Cannot Challenge. I'm going to can. That don't sound right. I'm going to can? Alright. Alright. This thing got me sweating already. Woo! Oh my God. This is not no joke though. This ghost chili. And it's so funny. This year I'm growing a whole bunch of super hots. I got chocolate ghosts, got chocolate reapers. I got a whole set of them. Woo! Almost done with the first one. Almost finished. Knocking this out. It's not that bad. But this thing is really hot. It's making me sweat already. Yeah. Woo! Wow, this is no joke. But almost done. Whew, not gonna be like the last time. I'm actually gonna finish it. May pay for it later, but I'm gonna finish it now. There we go. Woo! I am sweating. Make sure to get every bit. Ooh, finish. Ooh. Finish one down. I know you saw a couple. See, nothing coming out. We done. Ooh. Look at me sweating. Ooh. Nick, you do me a favor, pass me a paper towel. Ooh. And I can't have these other stuff because I have to finish this first and make it hit into me. But, ooh, I am sweating. Ooh. Can't fail twice. I'm gonna get it this time. Ooh. Ooh, thanks.
You're welcome.
Ooh. Look at that. And it's winter out there. Snow. And I'm melting like I'm on some beach or something. Whew. Whew. Okay. All fun time is gone. I'm gonna finish this one, knock it out. Hold on. Ooh, excuse me. That was a gas burp. Or I'm dying burp. See the second one. Still a little steam coming out, still a little hot. Whew. Oh. Whew. Alright, here we go. It's so funny. When you take a break and you eat the other one, it's almost like you burnt yourself, and if you ever touch a burn, that sensitivity, that's what I feel in my mouth. But, whoa, it's literally like I burnt my lip. Ooh. Ooh. This is no joke, baby. Those ghost peppers are nothing to play with. But I think, one, being of Jamaican descent, I could take peppers as is. And increasing my peppers for my hopeful trips to South Korea, Thailand, and, you know, maybe Vietnam and stuff like that, where food is nice and spicy. I'm getting ready for that. But right now, my stomach feels like I ate charcoal. Woo! Woo, here we go. Almost finished. Whew. I think it's also a bad thing to make this the first thing I ate after I finish the fast. So my stomach is literally empty with nothing to protect it. Whew. And I feel the heat in my stomach. I think I was better off if I had the mukbang first, had the stuff in my stomach, then had hell. But it is what it is. Almost finished. See? Very little left. Oh. Ooh. Sweating. Ooh. There we go. Whew. Take a breather. See, it says right here, go spicy chicken intro into the stomach, take a video, which I'm doing now, struggle it up, finish it off. The whole cup, post it, hashtag it. Ooh. Okay. I think it's like the one, you can knock it out, but the second one is like you're putting it on burn items. Like you burn tongue, you burn stomach. Only got much longer to go. Ooh, I've been going 7 minutes so far. Ooh. Wow. Ooh. I think I probably burned a stomach lining. Ooh. Oh, damn, I am sweating. Ooh, should have did this outside in the cold, the way I'm sweating. Okay. Whew. Finish. Oh, wow, that hurt. Oh, well, I'm gonna wait a minute before I do anything else, just to make that pepper really set in. I'm not trying to jump off on everything and eat right away, even though it doesn't have a afterburn time on this. No, I don't. I know some of the other ones, like the one chip challenges, are afterburn of like 2 minutes to wait. So, I'm gonna wait right now. Whew. And then I'm gonna start everything else. Well, probably now, I don't know if I could eat anything because my stomach is on fire. Like sticking food in a burnt oven. Oh, that kind of hurt. Whew. I think last time I had it with another noodle. And I was literally on the ground in agonizing pain. I think after eating this, the calamari and, you know, the avocado mayo will cool it down a little bit. The grilled cheese I have will do a little cooling, so what is it? 1 minute in after the afterburn. So, whew, hopefully now I could do this mukbang. Okay. Now, oh, that burp hurt. Oh. Ooh, look at all that sweat. I'm actually afraid to use the same chopsticks. Nick, see you get me 2 silver chopsticks, please. That's on the cup. Because I don't want no more of that pepper in me. Ooh. Ooh. Look at that sweat. Thank you. And if anybody say, Nick, come here. I'm not talking to myself. There is Nicholas. Woo. Okay, chopsticks for the calamari. Okay, we've done 2 minutes in. Grilled cheese. Oh. It actually felt real good to have something besides fire in my mouth. Whew. And now I should be drinking milk, but milk and me don't agree, so I don't want to be sick and in pain at the same time. Let's have some Crystal Light. Oh. Woo. Wow, that was hot. Oh, nice grilled cheese, Cracker Barrel cheese, multi-grain bread, butter, and mayo. So that's where you get that nice color on that. Really good. Ooh. To be honest, it actually hurts eating this. It's like I literally burnt my mouth on hot food. Ooh. Ooh. Ooh, nice. I've been trying to fix this camera view so I get to see this beautiful calamari on me. It's beautiful, crunchy. Hear the crunch? I'm gonna get a mic so you can hear me chewing. Damn, I did good. Ooh. Actually, that mayo, the mayo was helping a little bit. But it's like, ooh. I am on a literal fire. I know some people say, why don't you drink almond milk or rice milk or in coconut milk or stuff like that, but it's the chemicals in dairy milk that but dulls the fire of eating a capsaicin. So it's like those are not, the lactate is not in those milk, so there's the lactate that lowers the fire. So it makes no sense to have those. I know I tried it, it doesn't work. If it works for you, hey, but chemically speaking, it's not the lactate in milk that helps cool down fire. This is so good, but it's kind of like my lips are on fire as I speak. Finish my. The only thing about grilled cheese, when you do it with mayo, especially outside, and it starts to caramelize, it's no beating it. Like, the only thing that could beat this is during tomato season and you put like a fresh heirloom tomato inside there, then a grilled cheese tomato sandwich with some bacon. You gotta have bacon. That will make it like king of all grilled cheese sandwiches. But that mayo outside, oh. And this is that avocado mayo. That's that good stuff. Nick, I'm about you again. Pass me the bottle of mayonnaise on the table.
The what?
Mayo. Oh. Mayonnaise. I know I speak English. Mayonnaise. Thank you. I mean, I'm not sponsored by them, but I wish I was. I only got a couple of viewers, so I got no sponsors. But this mayo right here, whoo-wee. It's good. Avocado mayo. It was like, what are the ingredients? Avocado oil, humane free ranged eggs, egg yolks, water, vinegar, salt, lime juice, citric acid, of course, and lime oil. I don't know what lime oil is, but hey. But this joint is what's up. And that's coming from a chef. That's good mayo. Only better than that is make it yourself. Ooh. Look, I'm still literally, look at my head is dripping. Oh my. Like I came out of the sauna or was running from somebody. Grilled cheese done. On this beautiful calamari pile, which people are kind of shocked at. I don't eat a lot at once. I'm like that. How will I put it? Almost like a scavenger eater. I eat a little bit, put it to the side. I go away, come back, eat some more. That's the kind of eater I am. Yeah, I do go periods of fasting. Like my biggest fast a couple years ago was 7 days, which is not much, a week. But I do that, and I usually fast throughout the days. I usually do at least a minimum of 16 hours. And the last couple of times I've been doing 24 hours, a full day. Did a 42 like 2 weeks ago. And after this, I probably go to a more carnivore keto diet so I can do maybe a 2-week fast. But, you know, because it's hard to fast after you have carbohydrates, is just because your body's craving it. When you're on a keto, or at least a carnivore keto, it helps you not have that carb cravings, because it kind of kicks it out your system if you do that 2 weeks before you do any prolonged fasting. I mean, I could have wished I had some music in the background, but, you know, YouTube would take you down in the quickness for copyright. But, you know, hopefully get some more followers. Do some more of these mukbangs. Yeah, I'll do some more hot challenges. I mean, I want to get the hot chips again. I want to do that again. I wanted to do the hot chocolate, the spiciest chocolate in the world. There's the other one, the lollipop, which is what they call it, Satan's toe. I want to do that. That would probably be the difficult one, because you have to suck on a lollipop, and the heat is in your mouth constantly. And I mean, I'm thinking about it. Probably the most dumbest thing I'm gonna ever do. If these hot peppers come true and I get a decent harvest out of them, I may do a video of me eating a couple of the species that I'm growing. But not fasted, and with a good meal, because have eaten Scotch bonnet peppers straight, and that was painful. And reapers and ghosts and scorpions are no joke. Ooh. Well, I can't wait till all this Rona is over. Things kind of get back to normal. I'm back to work. Things will be better. And I could do some traveling videos as well. You know, some eating out in different places. You know, of course, Jamaica, of course, the UK, Pompey, Blue all day. And hopefully, you know, I'll be on my bucket list of my dream vacations. Japan, South Korea, Vietnam, Thailand, Philippines. Like, there's many places in the Philippines I want to go. Many places, you know, like, want to go to Taiwan, you know. Excuse me. You know, there's many prefectures in Japan that I definitely want to go. And, you know, I've been slacking on my Japanese and Korean study, and I have to pick that up because I also want to learn Vietnamese. I want to learn Thai. I want to learn Tagalog. I think I'm saying it wrong, sorry. The Filipino language, the main one. And there's a whole bunch of others. And of course, Mandarin and Cantonese, you can't forget those two. You know, most other Asian languages are derivative from those languages anyway. But there's a whole set of them. And as my stomach is going, I finished the grilled cheese. I finished the 2 hot noodles. But with the fire in my stomach, I may just eat as much as I can on this and call it a day. I think it's once again, maybe poor judgment of doing a spicy challenge and a mukbang in the same day. Especially if you do the spicy challenge first. Because right now, there is a furnace in my stomach, and it's probably going to be a little painful for a little bit. I don't know if it's going to be agonizing pain on the floor, but it's going to be a little painful. And I guess having those stuff, having these bad boys first in my stomach. I don't know if it's like full, but it's just hit a lot of sections in there, but can't lie. I did my thing with these calamari. So I'm just gonna eat a couple more minutes. Then say farewell. I'll show you what I got left. There's a couple people I follow here on YouTube, especially South Korean. One lady, I don't know, can't really pull a name off her head, but she could eat some food. And I'm a big dude, and I can't even eat half what she eats. But on that note, I am full. And there's still a lot. But nothing goes to waste. I will eat some more a little later. When the burning succeeds, I said sides, or yeah, succeeds, yeah. No, subsides. There we go. When the burning subsides, I will have some more. Whew. But those things did ghost chilies. Woo. Ooh. There is a slight rumbling in the stomach, but don't want this little video to go too long. I mean, until the time when I do have more followers, and I could do a proper mukbang. But you know, get myself back to eating a good amount of food. I'll do that. Maybe some fast food or stuff that I prepare, especially when the season comes up. A rib mukbang or something like that. Maybe I'll post questions on Facebook or Instagram or Snapchat or Twitter, and not post questions. I post and ask people questions, and I'll answer them. Because I don't got that much viewers to go live, so it kind of makes no sense for me to do that. But besides the eating stuff, there's gonna be a whole lot of gardening stuff coming up, a couple cooking stuff coming up. Hopefully I'll be able to build at least 1 or 2 beds for my garden. I'll just show a little bit of that process. My seedlings are starting to sprout a little bit, but until most of them sprout, I'll probably show another video of that. Maybe when I have at least good amount of them done. The peppers are still on their way, a good minute to go. So some of the tomatoes sprouted, some of the eggplants, some of the onions. So let that stuff go. And, on that note, like you always say, walk good. See everybody next time. Bye.